Hello, my name is Aniket Nimje. I did complete my graduation in BTech in the stream of Information Technology from RTMU Nagpur University in 2024, and I did search for a job and I got to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consultant company. Then I enrolled a course of full-time internship, and with the IT trainers has excellent knowledge of IT related and software related. I did learn about CCNA, basic networking, virtualization, Windows Administrator, cybersecurity, and Linux. Then the placement course I placed in a WIPRO as a desktop support engineer. I really thanks to Evision Technoserve to get the opportunity of placement. It's excellent and good. It's an excellent experience of the internship course and good knowledge of IT related terms, modules, and the placement offering by Evision is very good and very frequent. After my completion of course, I get job within 2 months. I really thankful for Evision to helping me to get place in WIPRO.